Hello Buffets, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another one. So in this video I will be reviewing a popular soap in South Africa called Inimba. Ish. Make sure you guys tune into Inimba, guys. Plays every day, every week, 9 o'clock. So I'm not gonna waste time, guys. I'm just gonna get straight to it. So Bafethu, as you saw on the previous episode, Bavumile had a problem. Bavumile wasn't feeling well, so the child actually got the whole family worried. As you guys might have known in the previous episodes, Bavumile has a breathing problem. And I think this also comes with the ancestors because Lazarus is not Bavumile's real biological father. So this child, I think Bavumile is gonna have a lot of problems, yabo. Not only regarding what they heard from the hospital, but also on the ancestral parts of everything. Because guys, we all know what's Bavumile, ingane kaHlathi. But again, the truth hasn't been disclosed. Everyone knows that Lazarus is the biological father, which is not. So Ongama Mhlongo is now part of Ikusela Tech and is the new CIO. So as you can see in the picture, guys, Linda is communicating work related stuff with the Ongama. I understand them having to work together and everything. So Ukaweke pops up, but she is late. She also was in the emergency of Bavumile and had to take care of Bavumile. So she had to actually go and tell Ongama ukuthi ube late. But it wasn't a deep thing ukuthi Ukawe was late. She was told ukuthi she should use a check-in and check-out system so that the team knows and the workspace and the people who are actually employed know ukuthi akekho uqhawe, she's still out. I sense tension ku-Ongama noMawethu because remember guys, Mawethu didn't make it to the cut, yabona. So ngapha-ke bathi akasendanga ama-emails and everything, yabona. But I sense tension between Ongama and Mawethu because Mawethu is still under his feelings since he didn't actually take the CIO position. Ngapha bafethu-ke Utumega is being a supportive sister to Uzoleka, guys, regarding the situation that happened the previous episode to Bavumile, as I said. But Ubuko Tumega is actually very inspirational. It's very nice. It's very pretty cute for both sisters because remember guys, lengane kaHlathi and uThumeka doesn't know ukuthi lengane kaHlathi, which is crazy guys, but it's being a supportive sister. Ngapha bafethu Team Sydney uTsaki noDice laphana are breaching iCapital Bank that works close hand in hand to iKhusela Tech. So they're trying to disrupt the system, corrupt the system so that they can have the money. You understand? So as you can see, these guys are still working on the system, and they corrupting the system ukuze iCapital Bank ingabe isasebenzisana neKhusela Tech. You understand? So everything that's gonna happen negatively to Capital Bank, because Capital Bank is known for actually paying salaries to grants, people who are pregnant, and also Khusela, they work hand in hand with Khusela. So it's family time ngalena guys. Uhlathi-ke ngalena nonkosikazi wakhe uThumeka-ke. Apparently Utumega is finishing a course, everything is actually going accordingly, and she wishes ukuthi CV yakhe ibe considered. You understand? But asikho lapho uHlathi, guys, there's a catch in this thing because uHlathi knows deep down ukuthi lengane eyakhe. I don't know if Tumega knows, but maybe she's acting like she doesn't know, but she knows ukuthi ingane ephethe uZoleka kaHlathi. Hlathi keeps on bringing this thing of, does Uhlumeka want to have another baby too? You understand that? Because already there's Uyanga, Uqhawe noLikamba, but uHlathi keeps on bringing this thing of which makes me question ukuthi, is she actually bringing up this thing because uyazi ukuthi ingane yakhe and he wants the baby ukuthi kube ngeyakhe naHlathi, or ufuna enye ingane noThumeka? I mean, could it be? I don't know, guys. You let me know in the comment section. But yeah, moving on, guys. These guys, Ongama is settled in Lapane Khusela. As you can see, he's very comfortable in his seats. These guys are just catching up about now. Lazarus, Pakechapa, about life journey and whatsoever was happening in life, because obviously a lot has been happening. So all hands on deck, guys. It has reached Khusela's attention ukuthi Capital Bank has been initially breached by Team Sydney, Tsaki and Dice. So as you can see, guys, Mawethu wenza dume ngazo, because obviously it's his job to actually look over and look out for these things, you understand. So he includes the whole team. Actually, team would know, man, there's something happening in the system, you understand. And these people are trying to like take out the money, play around the system and breach the system. So much as you can see Uli and I, they're taking like a short look about a small look to what's happening about it's teamwork, we understand. So there's kind of a problem, Gelapan, we understand. These people are breaching the system, they corrupted the system at Capital Bank, we understand. But now the thing is, they can't take out their money, guys. They can't take out the money, and all transactions have been frozen. It's crazy for them because they trying to like trick the system, and the servers, the Capital Bank. But at the same time, all of a sudden the money was frozen. That's crazy. So now the news reaches the big boss of Ikhusela Tech, uLazarus Gqibo. Also hears the news ukuthi, "Hi man, Capital Bank breach." You understand? He knows very well ukuthi Capital Bank is working collaboratively with Ikhusela Tech, you understand? So when this happens, Ongama takes a laptop kamawethu and actually starts working with it. There's gonna be tension. All hands on deck, guys. Niyabona yelana bafethu kuyasetshenzwa yelana, yabona. Sydney wants everything. Yabo, Sydney wants everything. He wants Khusela Tech down. I understand, and he'll do anything and everything to take it down. You understand? So manje they can't sneak their way in. You understand? So manje, on the other side of Khusela, Khusela is also aware it's okay. These guys have their hands on it, but they can't take out the money from the system. And it's funny how Ongama and Qhawe said the same thing at the same time. I think Ongama and Qhawe will connect, because obviously Mawethu failed Qhawe and the relationship just ended like that. You understand that? Because Qhawe found out Mawethu stepped to Zole. So now the sad part still is Ongama hasn't given back Mawethu his laptop. Instead, Ongama wants to prove himself with, oh yeah, he's the CIO he thinks he is. You understand? Because remember, guys, Mawethu is still mad at the fact that he is not CIO since he received an email saying he did not make it to the cards. You understand? So system system keeps on playing on both sides. So Bafethu Thumeka will go out on a date with Luhlathi later on. But now Thumeka is actually tricked. She doesn't know which dress she should like choose. But ngoba ukhona sister wakhe uzomkhethisa and help her out regarding choosing a dress for Luhlathi, for the dinner date with Luhlathi. Thumeka also had questions regarding why do men go out on dates, because she feels as if there's something wrong that Luhlathi is doing, you understand? And that something wrong, obviously, that Luhlathi did was actually go sleep with Zolega and have that baby, Wavumile, of which no one in the family actually really knows the truth, but Thumeka is a gut feeling, you understand. Later on, they went shopping with Sister Lawake, and later on, they're gonna have a date no Luhlathi. So on the other side, guys, Baba Lazarus, Nomfundiso are having lunch, I can say, you understand. And this is brother and sister. Now they're concerned about the ceremony and how the ceremony went, but the most concern is the goat crying, the goat bleeding, you understand. Nomfundiso is suspecting ukuthi Bavumile is not Lazarus Gqibo's biological son, and Baba Lazarus akafuna ukuzwa le nto ukuthi akuyona ingane kaSigqibo le, you understand, because the goat actually bleated, the goat cried, ikhalile bafethu ibhokwe. And Baba kaSigqibo doesn't want to believe ukuthi ibhokwe elikhalile. Unomfundiso is kind of intelligent, you understand, because she's saying ukuthi no man, they stabbed the goat 4 or 5 times, you understand? But that goat took time to actually bleed, and related the story back in 1998 where there was a person similar to Uskribo that was supposed to slaughter a goat, but the goat didn't really bleed to that extent, you understand? So it was found out later on that the child wasn't that person's child, you understand? So might happen the same to Lazarus because Baba kasigqiba kafuna ukuyimamela leyo and everything. Yaqhubeka bafethi war ke lana yama-corruption ukubreach ama-system, you understand? So uTsaki created a AI bot, you understand? And Dice is kind of loving the AI bot, yeah, boy. It's kind of loving the innovativeness that Utsaki has put in, yeah, boy. But now Utsaki has played around the system. She increased the salaries of people, the grant salaries, people getting pregnant, and official salaries that people get through Capital Bank. You understand? And now Usini is actually panicking because how this thing is gonna play out, because Usini wants everything and every chaos that they're gonna approach to be blamed to Kusela Tech. But at the same time, he's panicking because he knows it's okay. Kusela Tech might be actually strong when recovering from this. You understand? Because they work hand in hand with Capital Bank. So the guy is actually panicking, but Dice is fully entertained in this whole thing. Thumeka no Hlathi go out on a date, guys. And the whole baby thing, you're gonna continues awakening. Because Uhlathi, I think Uhlathi wants a baby with Uthumeka because he is jealous that Lazarus is now the father of the baby, Kabavumile. Not knowing ukuthi the baby is actually sick on the other side, and amadlozi avumela Uhlathi. I think ukuthi Uhlathi is gonna have a baby with Uthumeka again after Ubavumile, or play his cards to get Bavumile close to him and make the baby his and Thumeka's. I don't know, guys, if you do understand me. Just comment down below on what you think is gonna happen next. But I personally think it's gonna be like that. I think the guy wants another baby with Thumeka because he's jealous ukuthi ingane yakhe seyingane kaLazarus. On the other side, guys, Uzoleka is updated about what's happening lapha Kusela and everything, since they're trying to find out who is actually preaching, who is actually corrupting the system as the Capital Bank. But on the other side, guys, there's bad news, bad news. The baby has continuous problems. Bavumile has continuous problems, you understand? Because on the previous episode, Bavumile had like a problem, but it wasn't really disclosed that ubenenkinga yani, to be exact, you understand? But if you have watched Inimba these past few weeks, you would have known ukuthi Bavumile has a breathing problem. But this is bigger than a breathing problem, like I said earlier on, guys. I think this is ancestral. Yabona ingane yoneka Lazarus, and they did a ceremony. You get me? Ingane ke bafethu Bavumile couldn't breathe. Bavumile isn't breathing, as you can see the panic face on Zoleka. Bavumile wasn't breathing, guys. Well, we don't know what's happening, but at least we know ukuthi esibhedlela in the hospital they were told ukuthi this child is gonna have a breathing problem. This child is gonna have a breathing problem. So it's the same thing that's happening right now. As you can see, Uzoleka is panicking. The child isn't breathing. Yabona, she was supposed to like feed the child, and then Bavumile isn't breathing. So she had to call out the domestic worker, Daphne's name, to come and help regarding the child's breathing and whatsoever. Let me know, guys, what you think is gonna happen next. Don't forget to tune into Inimba, guys. If you missed out on Inimba, I got you for reviews. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure this video reaches a lot of people who have been missing out on Inimba, guys. Real culture loves you. Danko.